This is another ice related problem, but this time you have to be careful because few things are different. This time they give me moles of hydrogen and moles of iodine rather than moles per decimeter cube. And then they tell me the volume of the vessel is 10 decimeter cube. I need to be able to use this information as well. And finally, at equilibrium, I have 0.42 moles of iodine. So I go after ice one more time. Initially, I have 5 moles of hydrogen, and I have 3 moles of iodine. And of course, none of hydrogen iodide. Then it's stoichiometry. X moles of hydrogen is removed and reacted with X moles of iodine to give you twice as much, 2X moles of hydrogen iodide. 2X, 5 minus X, and at equilibrium is 3 minus X. One other piece of information which is vital is they say at equilibrium I have 0.42 moles of iodine, so 0.42. So now X comes to life, so 3 take away X is 0.42, and you can say X is 2.57 moles. So the first step in calculation is we found X. Now let's find moles rather than concentration. Moles of hydrogen at equilibrium is 5 minus X. So 5 minus 2.57 is equal to 2.43 moles. Let's find, well, we don't have to find moles of iodine. It's given to us. Just be careful. It's 0.42 moles. Moles of hydrogen iodide is twice X, 2 times X, 2 times 2.57, which is 5.14 moles. Now this is the stage I'm going to convert them into concentrations. So I'm going to use my 10 decimeter cube and say, look, concentration of hydrogen at equilibrium is moles divided by volume. So it's 2.43 moles divided by 10 decimeter cube. And simply I move 1 decimal places to the left, 0.243 mole per decimeter cube. That's concentration of hydrogen. Concentration of iodine, same thing. Concentration of iodine is moles of iodine divided by the total volume, which is 0.42 divided by 10. And this is 0.042 moles per decimeter cube. Now concentration of hydrogen iodide is same sort of calculation. Moles of hydrogen iodide divided by the total volume, which is 10. So 0.514 mole per decimeter cube. I have my concentrations at equilibrium. So Kc is simply, I write the expression, you don't mind. It's habit because I've made so many mistakes while I was student. I don't want you to make the same mistakes. Write it. It's tedious, but you save some numbers. So 0.514 squared divided by hydrogen, which is 0.243, multiplied by iodine, which is 0.042. And final answer is 25.3. That's your equilibrium constant.